Smaller succulents have their charm, but big leaf succulents truly stand out. We've gathered top choices for your collection. Perfect for both spacious gardens and cozy apartments, these large-leaved succulents make an impressive statement. They're low maintenance and look fantastic in stylish pots. Let's explore it. Flapjack, Kalanchoe luciae. The Flapjack Kalanchoe variety features 4 to 6 inch long, padal-shaped leaves with a red hue. For vibrant color, place it in slightly stressful conditions, such as bright, indirect sunlight and less frequent watering, which intensifies its red tones. Whale Fiend Snake Plant, Sansevieria masoniana. The whale fiend snake plant is known for its tall, upright, padal-shaped leaves with striking variegations. Its large leaves and minimal care needs make it ideal for beginners. It is available in various varieties. This drought-tolerant plant thrives in low light, requiring little attention to flourish indoors. Donkey Ear, Kalanchoe gastonis bonnieri. The donkey ear Kalanchoe features large fleshy leaves that resemble donkey ears, with each leaf growing 1 to 2 feet long. These succulent leaves often have a silvery green color with reddish spots, adding a unique touch to any collection. As a low-maintenance plant, it thrives in well-draining soil and bright indirect sunlight, making it a great choice for both indoor and outdoor gardens. Its long leaves can also produce baby plantlets. Echeveria, bittersweet. This is a compact succulent with a short stem and a rosette of striking mahogany red leaves, featuring wavy, undulated edges. Its leaves typically grow 8 to 12 inches wide, making it a bold addition to any collection. This variety produces urn-shaped flowers, adding more charm to its already eye-catching appearance. It's a low-maintenance plant that thrives in well-draining soil and bright sunlight. Whale's Tongue Agave, Agave ovatifolia. Whale's Tongue Agave is a striking, fast-growing succulent renowned for its exotic appearance. Its blue, thick leaves are arranged in a spiral to form a single, symmetrical rosette. This agave can be propagated from seeds or tissue culture. Varieties like Frosty Blue and Vanzi are genetic clones and look identical, while seed-grown plants vary in color, shape, and size. Whale's Tongue Agave typically grows to 5 feet tall but can achieve impressive heights and widths. Echeveria, Afterglow. It is a striking succulent that forms a large, blue rosette with wide, powdery purple-pink leaves featuring pink edges. Each leaf can grow 12 to 16 inches across, creating a bold and attractive display. In summer, it produces vibrant orange flowers that contrast beautifully with its colorful foliage, enhancing its visual appeal. Echeveria, Giant Blue. It is an impressive succulent known for its large, powdery blue leaves arranged in rosettes. These rosettes can grow up to 8 to 10 inches across, creating a striking focal point in any collection. Its bold color and substantial size make it a standout plant, perfect for adding a dramatic touch to indoor or outdoor gardens. Tree Houselake, Aeonium arboreum. It is a remarkable succulent known for its large, waxy rosettes of green leaves that measure 3 to 4 inches long. Under stress or direct sunlight, the leaves can develop a striking red tint, enhancing their visual appeal. This hardy plant makes a bold statement in any garden or indoor setting with its vibrant, colorful foliage. Aeonium arboreum, Zwartkop. It is a striking succulent with rosettes of deep purple-black leaves, measuring 4 to 6 inches long. It thrives in bright light and glistens beautifully in the sun, showcasing its dramatic, dark hues. This eye-catching plant adds a bold touch to any garden or indoor space. Madagascar palm, Pachypodium lamere. It is a succulent shrub, despite its misleading name. It boasts a spiny trunk and large, glossy leaves. This plant can reach impressive sizes, growing up to substantial dimensions, and adds a dramatic, exotic touch to any garden or indoor space. Its unique appearance makes it a standout choice for plant enthusiasts. Aeonium sunburst. This is a striking succulent with large, lime green leaves that can grow up to 6 to 8 inches across. The leaves are adorned with vibrant yellow edges, creating a vivid contrast. This eye-catching plant adds a splash of color and a bold, tropical touch to any garden or indoor setting. Foxtail agave, Agave attenuata. This succulent may grow slowly, but it compensates with its impressive, large foliage. The leaves of this succulent can reach lengths of 2 to 3 feet, creating a dramatic visual impact. Its bold, architectural form adds a striking element to any garden or indoor space, making it a standout choice for plant enthusiasts. Kalanchoe degremontiana. It, also known as Mother of Millions, features leaves with pink edges that deepen in color with increased sun exposure. This intensification is a stress response that enhances the plant's aesthetic appeal, adding a vibrant touch to its overall appearance. Echeveria, neon breakers. It is a striking succulent with large, fleshy leaves that can grow up to 8 inches in length. Its leaves are characterized by vivid, neon pink and green hues, creating a vibrant contrast. This eye-catching plant adds a bold splash of color to any indoor or outdoor garden, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts. Felt bush, Kalanchoe beharensis. It is a distinctive succulent characterized by its fuzzy, gray-green leaves that resemble felt fabric, reflecting its unique name. Although it grows slowly, it eventually produces leaves that can reach 5 to 6 inches in length when mature. This succulent adds a textured and intriguing element to any plant collection or garden. Graptoveria platinum. This is a captivating succulent that forms rosettes of fleshy, nearly white leaves. Occasionally, these leaves exhibit subtle blue-green hues and delicate pink edges, adding depth and interest to its appearance. Its elegant coloration and russet shape make it a standout choice for enhancing any plant collection or garden. Tree stonecrop, Sedum dendroideum. It is also known as false hens and chicks, is a striking shrub-like sedum with vibrant green and yellow leaves that feature red tips. This plant can grow up to 6 feet tall and boasts leaves that can reach 4 to 5 inches in length. Its bold coloration and size make it a dramatic addition to any garden or landscape. Dinner plate aeonium, Aeonium tabuliforme. It features large, flat rosettes of blue-green leaves that can grow 12 to 18 inches in diameter. In late spring, this striking plant produces clusters of yellow flowers, adding a splash of color to its already impressive foliage. Its unique russet shape and vibrant blooms make it a standout choice for any garden or indoor space. Aeonium blushing beauty. This succulent is renowned for its large, russet-shaped leaves that can grow up to 8 to 10 inches across. The leaves are a captivating mix of green with pink to red edges, especially vibrant in bright light. This striking succulent adds a bold and colorful element to any plant collection or garden space. Big leaf succulents offer dramatic visual impact with their large, striking foliage. Their impressive leaf sizes and vibrant colors make them standout additions to any garden or indoor space, combining bold aesthetics with relatively low maintenance.